Welcome to JH. So, is the Frameo app actually legit, or is it just another digital trap designed to harvest your data? Let's find out together. First off, what exactly is Frameo? It's a super handy app that lets you beam pictures and 15-second videos straight from your phone to a digital photo frame over Wi-Fi. Think of it like sharing happy moments with your family instantly, no matter where they are. You can even add captions or cute greeting notes, and they claim to use end-to-end encryption. Because nothing says family bonding like making sure hackers can't see your aunt's blurry photo of her potato salad. Now, let's talk about whether it's actually trustworthy. Frameo is available on both Apple's App Store and the Google Play Store, which is a decent sign since those stores don't just let every digital dumpster fire through their gates. It means the app has cleared some security and quality hurdles. We also stalk their social media, and they're surprisingly active on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Brands that are hiding something usually don't show up everywhere like a desperate influencer. So seeing them engage with users is a massive green flag. Frameo provides an email, a phone number, and even a physical office address. This means if things go south, there's an actual building you can go to and politely, or not so politely, complain. Scam companies usually avoid giving real contact info like it's the plague. Another plus is that they actually tell you who runs the place. Founders like Torben Ulrich and Nikolai Schmidt are listed right there with their photos. It's almost like they're real humans and not just a bunch of AI bots in a trench coat. Here's where it gets interesting. On the Play Store, Frameo boasts a 4.7-star rating with plenty of happy customers. But over on Trustpilot, it's sitting at a 2.9 with only 2 reviews, both of them negative. Apparently, those 2 people were having a very bad day. To get the real tea, we went to Reddit. Most users there praised the ease of use, though some complained about Wi-Fi glitches and the struggle of using 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. Keep in mind, Frameo just makes the software. The actual hardware is made by various manufacturers, so if your frame feels like a cheap paperweight, don't blame the app developers. So is Frameo legit? Yes. Based on our investigation, it's safe, real, and surprisingly transparent. It has strong App Store ratings, active support, and real people behind the brand. Sure, some users have Wi-Fi-induced meltdowns or device issues, but the app itself is solid. If you want a simple way to share memories with your family without teaching your grandma how to use a cloud server, this is worth a shot. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.